welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and in this episode we're going to share with you a running 1924 Ace motorcycle. Let me first share with you a little about how we found this amazing piece of motorcycle history. If you ever get the chance to ride the Smoky Mountains, there's one place that you have to take the time to stop and see. It's located in Maggie Valley, and it's called Dale's Wheels Through Time, formerly known as Wheels Through Time. The name was recently changed to honor the legacy of Dale Wachsler, the museum founder who passed away in early 2021. The museum now boasts over 375 of the country's rarest and historic two- and four-wheeled vehicles spanning over 115 years of motorcycle history. Many of these historic motorcycles still run, and the staff is happy to share that with visitors. This place is a must-see for anyone who'd like to see and learn about motorcycle history. So let's get ready to experience one of these pieces, the 1924 Ace motorcycle. But first, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun here at Road Rush Nation. Thanks, and let's get to it.
Museum, it runs. That one with dinosaur stuff. The dinosaur just stays there and you look at it.
You can take it for a ride.
It'd be a $10,000 auction.
Yeah.
With a $100,000 insurance policy.
So this is a 1924 Ace. They built these bikes in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania for about 5 years, 21 to 26. Designed by the Henderson brothers, who made the Henderson motorcycles that you see along here. This was their second attempt at the company. After their first one, they sold out to Ignis Schwinn in 1917. This is a 1220cc bike with about 20 horsepower.
What was
Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.